Hey everybody, welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedrian. From surprise appearances by the Marleys and Coffee to Chronixx's set being jolted by technical difficulties, Lost in Time Festival was the hot topic following its return. Now Litfest, which returned to Kingston, Jamaica after a one-year hiatus, unfolded inside Hope Gardens over the weekend, delivering an immersive experience for patrons across two stages, the Foundation stage and the Lit stage. Now day one saw performances from reggae greats such as Tassanchin and Tanya Stevens, setting the tone for what was to come. Leela Ike took to the stage just after 9 p.m, delivering an hour-long set packed with some of her biggest tracks.
In my opinion, I think last night was probably one of the better, probably the best performance I've ever done in Jamaica.
Not to be outdone, curator and creator of Lost in Time, TVJ, closed night one with a performance that blew the crowd away, literally. The excitement reached new heights when the Grammy Award-winning artist Coffee made a surprise appearance. Coffee was merely the appetizer as Damon and Stephen Marley followed as the main course.
Speak for itself, was a great energy, great response. The guests them come shell the place. I'm just grateful, man. Our vibes.
Now day two featured performances from reggae songbirds Naomi Cohen and Janine, who lit up the Lit stage. Over on the Foundation stage, Diani serenaded the ladies with the smooth vocals, adding flair to his charm by handing out roses with a few surprises up his sleeve. Now Jesse Royal took to the Lit stage just after 7 p.m, delivering an exhilarating set complete with a surprise appearance from Yo and Marley. However, it was his little daughter Chorus and her friend who stole the show.
Because I sing songs for them, and when I see them I hold them vibes and I enjoy it in a real way, it get me up, you know?
At 8:30 p.m, screams echoed throughout the venue as Chronixx took to the stage, his first full set in Jamaica since 2019. However, his return was briefly plagued by technical difficulties. But the excitement among fans would not be dampened as they burst into song, or should I say, we burst into song. Chronixx soon returned to the stage to roaring cheers and applause, completing his set. As patrons eagerly look ahead to the next staging, TVJ had this to say.
We now get caught up in a guarantee in that. We're going to see what happens and see how the year pan out and see what the vibes be.
That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedrian. I like it. Do you like it? Thank you for watching.